How to log into CIBC Costco MasterCard account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your CIBC Costco MasterCard account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and here in the search bar you need to type in CIBC.com. This is the official website of CIBC Costco MasterCard. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of CIBC. Here, once you reach to this page, at the right side, you will be able to see this sign-in interface. Here, you will be required to enter the card number and your password in order to log into your CIBC account. In this first box, enter the 16-digit card number. And in the second box, here enter your password. You may also click on this checkbox at the right side of this Show Password option and then reveal your password to check if you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you want your card to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this checkbox at the right side of Remember My Card option. If in case you forgot your password and couldn't log into your account, you'll also get the option to reset your password. For that, you can click on this Reset Your Password link just below Show Password option, and then from there you need to follow the instructions provided to you in order to reset your password. Also, if you haven't created your account yet, you may click on this Register button at this side, and then from there you can provide your information in order to register in CIBC Co MasterCard. So after entering all the credentials correctly, now go ahead and click on this sign in button at the right side, and from there you will be able to log into your CIBC Costco MasterCard account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.